Stop scrolling. Discover the secret to experiencing autumn like never before. Canada's fall foliage. Canada's autumn is a spectacular show of nature's finest art. Picture this: vibrant reds, oranges and yellows blanketing the landscape. From the rugged peaks of British Columbia's mountains to the serene glassy lakes of Ontario, every inch of Canada bursts into colour. In the Canadian Rockies, witness majestic mountains dressed in fiery hues. At Niagara Falls, marvel as the golden foliage frames the iconic Cascades. Toronto invites you to its lively fall festivals and picturesque parks. Walk the charming streets and historic architecture of Quebec City, wrapped in autumn's embrace. And in Halifax, discover coastal beauty and quaint towns touched by the season's magic. Plan your perfect fall getaway to Canada and immerse yourself in the stunning beauty of autumn. This is a trip you won't want to miss. #Canada, #fall foliage, #autumn, #travel, #nature, #fall colors, #vacation, #visit Canada.